Hello friends, if you are going to learn Python, so first step is you have to install Python. Okay, so and we can use or run Python files or Python code in command prompt or VS Code or any other supporting. Okay, so first we have to install Python. So we are going to process that. First step is we have to visit official Python website. Okay, we can click on that, and we can click on download Python, or if you are okay with this version, we can click on this also. If we are click on download Python, there will be different version. So if we can also download click on this, so this we can practice on that also. So we have click on 3.14.3, so it will download this specific version. So before that we have to install installer first. So there is option Mac, Windows or other. So we are going to download which is support to Windows. Okay, so download Python install manager. So we will click on that, and again we have to click on download installer. So installer download is process. So once finished installer download, so we can check in download folder. So I have also tried before, so it is showing duplicate. So we can click on any one. So if we click on this, there will be option to install Python. Okay, see, we can see here. So we will click on that, and installation process is started. I am minimizing it. Okay, once installation complete, once we click on installation, so it will ask install C Python now. We can click here Y. I have click on Y, and that process is completed. You may get some notification like you will have to click on next. So proceed that, and it will install Python in your system. Okay, you have to click on some next options. So I didn't finish that. So let's check if Python is installed. Okay, so we can check in command prompt. Okay, we have now open command prompt, and we can check if there is Python version is present. So we will write Python double dash version. Okay, enter. So see, there is we get Python 3.14.6. So there is Python is installed. So we can also check with the statement. We can run statement. So first we have to write Python, enter. Okay, now we can write print hello. See, the Python code also run. So here our installation is complete. Thank you.